Are you interested in renting equipment or heavy machinery for construction jobs? ETS Rentals and Repairs is your best choice. For over 17 years, we have provided second-to-none service to all our customers, including shipping and delivery in Miami-Dade and Broward County. We have a wide variety of tools, equipment, and machinery available and in optimal condition. We specialize in earth-moving machinery, air tools, compressors, concrete compaction, portable lighting, paint sprayers, pressure washers, power tools, concrete and surface preparation, carpet and floor maintenance, generators, air motors, fans, scaffolding, ladders, pumps, lawn care equipment, drainage, and sewer. Whatever you need, you will find at ETS Rentals and Repairs. ETS Rentals and Repairs, your construction rental solution.